Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a tech here at Gal Golf Cart, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put a windshield on a new classic cart. Here's the brand new windshield we will be installing today. So now we unboxed the windshield and got all the plastic off. And now we are ready for the installation process. So the first thing we're going to do is take the old windshield off. And by doing that, we take off these plastic connected to the frame. Then you want to save these plastics to put the new windshield on. So after we got all the plastic off the frame, we're going to put it on the new windshield. These pieces are pretty easy to put on. You just put it on the side and push down. And now we got all of them on the windshield. So now you just line it up. So now that the windshield's all snapped in place, it's all good to go. So there you go, that's how you install a windshield on an Evolution golf cart.